All right, so here we have students at a university have the option to stream TV over internet or to watch cable TV. And a survey of 100 students produced the following results: 65 have streamed, 45 have watched cable, and 30 have done both. So basically, we have uh, the following things. We have the number who have streamed is going to be 65. The number of cable was the 45, and the number have done both is 30. So what we have to do then on all these is we have to consider that, so many of them did it here or here, but they also did it here. So we have to consider that when we're doing these questions. So for A, during this 30-day period, how many people in the survey streamed TV but didn't watch cable? All right, well, that's going to be the number total here, 65. And then we're going to subtract off the duplicates, which is going to be 30. And that's going to give us 35 who have streamed TV but not watched cable TV. Okay, what about B? How many have watched cable TV but not streamed? So again, we're going to take the 45, but in this time we're going to take off 30. So we're going to take, oops, I can't write here, 45 minus 30. So that's going to give us 15 who have watched cable TV but not streamed. Now, how many have done neither? Okay, well, that's going to take all of them add up here and subtract off the duplicates. So that's going to be 65 plus 45 minus 30. So there's 80. But remember, there's 100 total students. So we have to take 100 minus 80, and that's going to give us 20 who have done neither because, so many of them did this, so many of them did this, and so many of them did both. So then we know the combination of the union of the two, and then what's left over is after we subtract off, there's only 20 have done neither. Now, how can we optimize this in a table? Well, let's say um, we have streamed, we have cable, and then we have, I guess we could do a total. Then here we could do maybe a cable, and we have a viewer, we have a non-viewer, and we have a total. Okay, so these are cable, and this is basically our how we internet here. So the cable and internet here. So cable viewer streamed. Okay, well, how many that were internet and cable together? Well, there were 30 of those, both. Okay. Now, how many were strictly cable? Well, cable and cable, that would go to here. Cable to cable, we said that was 15. So that means there's a total of 45 here. Now, who streamed but didn't do cable? Well, that was the 35. Now, who was here that did cable but or was basically not streaming but did cable and not here? Well, that was our 20. And so if we add that, that's 55. Now, if we add across, that's what, 65. And that's what, 35. And if we add across or down, either way, that gives us our total of 100. So that's going to be kind of a how you could do a table on how they watch. Based on what we have here. We had to really get those numbers and we had to get that number to be able to plug everything in, and then everything else kind of fill out from there. All right, so let's stop there.